Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. This finished building is beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. You got the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, brand new balancer, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Chrome Chevrolet valve covers. You have the ball milled oval air cleaner on there, polished intake manifold, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, PCV ventilation line, PCV valve, brand new carburetors on there, throttle return spring and bracket and throttle cable ball, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on the C10 truck for firewall clearance right there. All the wire markers are on there. We have the proper flex plate for the C10 truck, proper tooth count and balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filters installed, all the loop clamps plumbed right up to the carburetor, electric choke. Customer will be getting the alternator only pulley kit. That'll be coming in next week. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, engine will be fully dialed in, ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.